it. Who are you? What do you want?
Hello. So today we are flying out to Michigan to go visit some family, to go visit my dad and my brother and my stepmom. So excited. I haven't seen them since the last year in November, December. I can't remember exactly what time of month I fell in, but I do remember it was like before the big holidays. But I'm so excited. This is Lewis's first time flying to Michigan, so we're all excited. We'll see you guys when we get there. We got to the airport! So we're about to go to the security, and then we got here really early because I never like, sorry about that. I never like rushing, especially in the airport. I love being here early. I love the airport. We're gonna get ourselves some Starbucks and just chill. We just got done security, and if I'm not mistaken, off this escalator. I am very correct. The Starbucks is right there. So, you know, we're gonna pick up a little Starbucks. Let you guys know what my order is because it's French kiss. So, let's go get our Starbucks. We got the Starbucks secured. So, I was gonna get coffee, pero si me da chorro en el avión. Not good, my friend. So I got matcha, and my matcha order, I usually get a venti, but I really wasn't feeling like too much. I just kind of want a little pick me up, so I get a matcha latte iced. I get it with pumps of chai and vanilla sweet cold foam. That's what I got here. And then, so this is so stupid, but everyone says that Starbucks water is the best water, and I've never ordered a water from Starbucks. So we're gonna try it together. Tastes like fucking water. It doesn't taste like crispy.
No?
Honestly I was expecting like, I don't know what I was expecting, but it's good water. I wouldn't say it's the best water, but we're super early. We're gonna charge all our stuffs, probably watch some movies, chill. It's a vibe. But yeah, and then we'll be on the flight.
2 hours later.
Buddy's a little nervous. I'm telling him. I told him, I was like, go take a shot because there's the bar right there. I was like, go take a shot before you go on the plane so that you can be relaxed. And he doesn't want to. Go do it. Go take a shot. Just go. Just like, can I get a shot of tequila?
Oh man.
I think you should.
Yeah?
Yeah, go get it. Go do it.
Oh man.
Go take your shot.
Is it a free shot?
Go take one.
You're welcome to
I'm
board
gonna
at
take
this
a
time.
Are you? He's gonna go take a shot. Oh, he's such a nervous flyer, but I'm like, it's okay. But anyways, so we land at 11. So I don't really think we're gonna do too much when we get there besides just get picked up and go to the house. But here he comes. How was that? You feel
good.
better?
Ready to take like 5 flights now.
Sponsor me, Delta, because this is my favorite airline. I love Delta. I prefer Delta or any airline. What was your bright idea?
What if they offer like really, really cheap tickets where they can tie you up in the wing?
What did he say?
And just charge you like 20 bucks.
Dale, tú dale. Sí se puede. Sí se puede. About to get there. This airport's huge. I forgot how big it is.
That's what she said.
I've never really had to walk so far because I always just kind of go to baggage claim. But my dad said the baggage claim right now is super packed. So he's like, just go to ticket. So,
2, 3, fuck it.
we found them. We located them.
Disney Channel.
Woo!